When we talk about money transfers, the first thing that comes to mind is the traditional bank transfer. It's a direct movement of funds from one bank account to another, usually using networks like SWIFT or NEFT, depending on the country. Bank transfers are seen as secure, but they often involve higher processing time, multiple intermediaries, and varying fees depending on domestic or international routes. On the other hand, Skrill app has transformed the digital transfer experience. Skrill is an online wallet that lets users send, receive, and store money instantly. Unlike bank transfers, Skrill doesn't require you to share bank account numbers with the recipient, just an email address. This makes it faster, simpler, and more convenient for users engaging in global payments, gaming, or e-commerce. Now let's highlight the core differences. First, speed bank transfers may take 15 days internationally, while Skrill often completes in minutes. Second, fees bank transfers can charge flat amounts or percentages, whereas Skrill offers competitive transaction fees with favorable currency conversion rates. Third, accessibility. Skrill works with just a smartphone and internet, but bank transfers depend on banking hours and clearance cycles. There are also hidden aspects many overlook. One, Skrill accounts can be linked directly with prepaid cards, allowing instant ATM withdrawals, something a traditional bank transfer cannot provide without waiting. 2. Skrill supports multiple digital currencies, including crypto, whereas banks only deal in fiat money. 3. Skrill offers localized promotions in certain countries, giving reduced fees for first-time transfers, a feature banks never disclose. 4. Bank transfers often come with traceable transaction references under UTR or SWIFT codes. But Skrill provides a unique digital reference ID that makes dispute resolution faster. 5. Skrill's integration with online merchants allows instant payments for gaming, forex, and shopping platforms, while bank transfers may take days before payment reflects. If you're considering which to use, think about purpose and urgency. For large business payments where proof and traceability matter, bank transfer is reliable. But for personal transfers, small remittances, or digital services, Skrill provides speed and ease unmatched by banks. To check current bank transfer rates, visit wise.com or your own bank's official site. For Skrill services, explore skrill.com.